Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has given us mercies and blessings. And secondly, my salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad SAW. Hello everyone. Today we'll do an English assessment, which is a mini contest or describing a chart or data. I discuss two charts. Okay, the first one. The graph gives information about the age of the population of Iceland between 1990 and 2020. The bar chart illustrates the proportions of Iceland's population in different age groups in the years 1990, 2000, 2010, and 2020. Overall, the proportion of people aged 25 to 44 remain the large throughout the period. Meanwhile, the youngest group aged 0 to 14 and the oldest group 65 and over made up the smallest proportion. It is also noticeable that the share of older people increased over time, while the percentage of younger people declined. In 1990, around 30% of the population were aged 25 to 44, making it a large group, and this figure rose slightly to about 35% in 2000. By 2020, it had reached its peak at nearly 45%, showing a steady upward trend over the 30-year period. In contrast, the 15-24 age group saw a gradual decrease, falling from roughly 20% in 1990 to about 12% in 2020. The proportion of people aged 65 and over grew steadily from about 10% in 1990 to nearly 20% in 2020. Similarly, the age 55 to 64 also experienced a small rise during the same period. On the other hand, the youngest group, 0 to 14 years, declined slightly from around 24 at 25 in 1990 to under 20% in 2020, indicating a gradual aging of Iceland's population. And the bar chart illustrates the percentage of part-time workers in 4 countries of the United Kingdom, England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. In the years 1980 and 2010, overall the proportion of people working part-time increased in all 4 countries over the 30 years period. Among them, Wales had the highest percentage in both years, while Northern Ireland had the lowest. In 1980, around 25% of workers in England were part-time, and this figure rose to about 30% in 2010. Similarly, in Wales, the percentage climbed from roughly 33% to almost 40%, making it the country with the highest rate of part-time employment. Both England and Wales saw steady growth during the period. In contrast, Northern Ireland had the smallest proportion of part-time workers, increasing only slightly from around 10% in 1980 to about 15% in 2010. Scotland also saw a rise from approximately 15% to just over 20%, although the increases were noticeable in all regions. The gap between the highest and lowest countries remain significant. Oke, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.